Hello everybody, it's Miss Barrett here, Dunkirk Primary's Mental Health and Wellbeing Lead. And in this assembly today, we're going to find out what it means to make healthy food choices. And myself, Miss Naheed, and the school council have been working together to get ideas from you all on how you can make healthy food choices, especially if you have a packed lunch. So thank you to everyone who has helped make this assembly possible. Let's start with some background information. Here goes. We are all eating too much sugar, salt, and a kind of fat called saturated fat. There are surprising amounts of sugar, saturated fat, and salt in everyday foods and drinks that we enjoy, like, for example, fizzy drinks, or biscuits, or flavoured yogurts. So we might seem fine and healthy on the outside, but too much sugar, salt, and saturated fat can lead to a buildup of harmful fat on the insides of our bodies, and we just can't see that. So making unhealthy food choices by eating too many biscuits or drinking too many milkshakes as a child could lead to health problems in the future, like heart disease, rotten teeth, diabetes, and being overweight. But when we're food smart, we can make healthier food and drink choices that are lower in sugar, lower in saturated fats, and lower in salt. So we hope that you are ready to be food smart. According to advice from doctors, a healthy amount of sugar per day for a child is equivalent to 5 to 6 sugar cubes in food and drink. That's 5 to 6 sugar cubes in a 24-hour period. So you might be thinking that, oh, I haven't noticed any sugar cubes in any of the food that I eat. And that's because sugar dissolves when it's cooked or put into drinks. So it's hard to see, but it makes everything taste sweeter. And you might think that you don't eat or drink the equivalent to 6 sugar cubes every day. But let's take a look at a glass of fizzy cola, for example. Did you know that in one glass, just one glass of cola, there's up to 9 sugar cubes? That's 3 sugar cubes over the healthy amount of sugar that children are recommended to eat in one day. Isn't that shocking? So we wondered, what does your class, and if you're listening at home, what do you know about making healthy food choices for lunch boxes? Take a few minutes to have a look at the pictures on the screen and decide which of these choices are food smart. Answers will be revealed on the next slide. Here goes. Yogurts, biscuits, carrots, chocolate, apples, fizzy drinks, water. Which of these foods are healthy food choices? Let's take a look at the answers. Did you all make the healthy food choices? Let's have a look. Well done if you chose lower fat yogurts. Plain yogurt contains a lot less fat and sugars, unlike yogurts with the jammy fruit corners that look like they contain fruit, but the amount of sugar in them is simply huge. Eating any fruit or vegetables like apples or oranges, grapes, carrots, cucumbers, peppers is a much healthier lunchbox choice than biscuits and chocolate. Remember, the biscuits and chocolate contain fat, sugar, and salt, which is not good for your health, not now or in the future. And finally, did you choose water over fizzy drinks? Well, of course you did. We're all really good at Dunkirk at filling our bottles with water, but some children, not many, but some are still bringing in juice at lunchtime. Water is always the healthiest choice. And on the next slide, some more healthy choices are described by the school council. Here goes.
This is a lunchbox. It's very healthy. It has watermelon, yogurt, sweet corn, vegetables, and 4 sandwiches. This is a very healthy lunchbox. I will have it for my lunch.
This lunch has fruit and vegetables. My favorite is cucumber too.
It has healthy snacks instead of chocolate and biscuits. I like cucumbers as well because it has water and it has the crunch. And finally, we ask your opinion on what a healthy lunchbox should look like. Remember, this is not just for when you're at school, but when you're at home, during the weekends or in the holidays. There are some healthy food choices that the school council and Miss Barrett would really like you to take away with you today. Thank you for your attention. And do you want to be a healthy choices role model for Dunkirk? If so, the school council will be taking photos of healthy lunchboxes and sharing them on Class Dojo.